Otology as a practice is one of the oldest subspecialties of ENT, and every ENT surgeon, I believe, is an otologist at heart too. Though the practice of ENT has multiplied into many subspecialties, ear surgery is something which is unique because every resident, every consultant does learn ear surgery, and otology is a bread and butter practice of every ENT surgeon. What this course at IMMAST, the way we have designed it, we look to focus on certain principles, starting right from how to read a HRCT temporal bone for yourself, principles of ossicular chain reconstruction or ossiculoplasty, give an extensive experience of a step-by-step guided dissection of a temporal bone, which is something that people look for in the first 5 years of practice as well as after 20 years of practice, because it always helps to trim the temporal bone time and again. Also, we have gotten faculty who will bring their experience to discuss the finer nuances of otology when it comes to handling complicated situations in medial massive surgery and handling complication of surgery per se. And we will round off with a quick panel discussion which will encompass on improving results in medial massive surgery. I have no doubt that this course will add a lot of value to anybody's otology practice.